scientist and Bharata Ratna Professor C.N.R. Rao, dignitaries on the dais, Engineer Ashok Kumar Basa, President Institution of Engineers. It is indeed a great opportunity and honor bestowed on the entire engineering fraternity of the oldest professional body of engineers in India, the Institution of Engineers India, founded in 1920, and received the Royal Charter of Incorporation to promote and advance the science, practice and business of engineering. By your gracious presence here, we are very happy, sir. Eminent personalities and luminaries served as the past president and led the institution its relentless journey over 95 years towards engineering advancement in nation building. Even today, the institution considers Sir M. Vishwesvaraya as the Dian of engineering and an icon. Most of the programs and endowment lectures are in his honor, even today. Many institutions and organizations throughout the country bear his name. Although technology had not developed to the extent it is today, during his time, his only guiding factors were the scientific principles he had learned to apply some of the greatest engineering marvels he created during his life, when were so useful for several states. Sir, you are serving as a similar icon after Sir C.V. Raman and Sir Vishwesvaraya in the scientific field. You are aware, sir, that scientific knowledge has immensely increased from Sir M.V. time, and as such, a new look to all engineering fields is required based on the contemporary developments in science. This will give a new dimension to the entire engineering and technological field in India. You would be pleased to note that National Design Research Forum, the R&D wing operating from Bangalore, is also doing a pioneering work on research, design and development, productization, innovation through collaborative efforts and spearheading the adoption of interdisciplinary technology research and systems engineering for realizing engineering and technology services system solutions for nation building. Your presence here will serve as a guiding force to all practicing and future generations of engineers in India and will inspire them to strive hard to achieve success in all endeavors to address the global challenges. We thank you for accepting our invitation, sir, to participate in the 29th Indian Engineering Congress and address the delegates and budding students about the future of the engineering and engineers to meet the likely problems they may face in future. Thank you for your blessings for all our engineering community and the technological development and societal needs which we are expecting from our engineers. Thank you, sir.